So in this video, we're diving into the latest Android 15 Beta 4, which despite its new features comes with a host of bugs that are causing headaches for users. And now these are usually going to range from issues with picture-in-picture mode and account setup errors to glitches in Android Studio and emulator crashes. Now this beta version is proving to be a mixed bag. So we're going to be walking you through the most significant bugs in Android 15 Beta 4 so you know what to watch out for before updating your device. Welcome back everyone to the Wondershare Dr.Fone channel. My name is Francisco, and in today's video we will be talking about the 5 major bugs that came with Android 15 Beta 4 and a potential quick fix that should bring your device back to working order. So please make sure to subscribe because there's a lot more content coming soon. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. The 5 major bugs introduced with Android 15 Beta 4. Now, there have been 5 major bugs introduced to Android 15 Beta 4, and some can certainly be device breaking, and like always, many people will experience these in different ways. Here's going to be a list of it all. So first things first, it's going to be picture-in-picture PIP transition bug. So when an app transitions to picture-in-picture mode, the window may disappear if the device is rotated before the transition is even complete. Now, this has been a prominent issue for me, but nothing too crazy. However, almost every time that I do try to use picture-in-picture and I rotate my phone accidentally, the picture does disappear, forcing me to redo things to see it again. Next, we've got account setup error. An error page may appear during device setup when adding an account. Now, this part can be especially annoying, especially in the initial setup. For some reason, this will keep happening and it is a persisting issue. Won't affect you if you've already got all of your accounts in order, however. Android Studio issues. Now, various problems with the Android Studio, such as the Android 15 Preview API not displaying in the preview configuration window, and other issues with the Android emulator causing app deployment and notification errors. Language display glitch. The Android emulator sometimes displays incorrect characters in the system language settings. This one is more minor, but it does still take place, absolutely something worth acknowledging in later releases. Simpleperf Crashes. Now, running a CPU profile in the Android emulator can cause Simpleperf to crash. Now, this one is also very specific, and I certainly have not experienced this, but I'm sure Google will also address this in later releases. Now, that's going to be pretty much everything when it comes to the 5 major bugs, and there could be other underlying bugs that I myself have not experienced. So with that said, let's jump into a solution to bring your device back to working order if a bug forces it to get stuck somewhere. Part 2. Here's a quick and easy fix to your device if the bugs make your device hard to use. Wondershare Dr.Fone offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing and maintaining mobile devices, making it an invaluable resource for users. Among its many features are data recovery, phone backup, data transfer, and system repair. The system repair module in particular stands out for its ability to address severe issues that users may encounter, such as those introduced by Android 15 Beta 4. Now, this module can resolve common Android problems like system crashes, device breaking, severe battery drain, and connectivity issues. By providing a straightforward, user-friendly interface, it allows users to revert their devices to a stable state without data loss or even the need for technical expertise. This makes Wondershare Dr.Fone an essential tool for anyone dealing with the unpredictability of beta software or other critical system malfunctions. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and try to explore the steps to fixing these issues through the software. Granted, these fixes won't actually fix the beta and magically make it more stable. It will just fix your device if it happens to get stuck somewhere with no way out, such as the issues that we mentioned above. Essentially, this is done by reinstalling the beta, which the software will do very easily for you and should refresh the beta for you. So to free your device and bring it back to your initial screen, hopefully without the most device breaking bugs, this will be the best solution available to us. So just follow the steps coming right up. First things first, visit the Wondershare Dr.Fone website by clicking on the link in the description. Download the software and install it on your computer. Now open the Dr.Fone application, then click on the Toolbox tab and choose the System Repair option from the main interface. Make sure to use a USB cable to connect your Android device, specifically Samsung, so that the device is detected by Dr.Fone. Now, Dr.Fone will detect your device model, so your device is going to be detected. But you must still input the information for your device manually in order to make sure that you do get the best results and can download the correct firmware package onto your device. So just make sure to enter everything as shown, but you will see that I did not go ahead and fill in the IMEI. I didn't do it, and it should still work for you, but you should try to fill in everything as prompted for the best results. So from here, the firmware package will download itself and just let Dr.Fone handle things from here to continue. Your device will restart after everything is done downloading, so just stay put. And then finally, once you're done, your device will restart like normal, and you should have your Android device back in working order. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up to the very end. Let us know in the comments if this solution worked for you, and if it hasn't, then tell us which phone breaking bugs you've been encountering, and include any of your questions down below as well. Like our video if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Please make sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated on when a new video comes out. Until next time, have a great day.